It's up to 100 degrees out here, so that's no bueno. So we're on that 167, which has been idling for a while. So I'm gonna do you a little solid here, Kyle. We're gonna top off this AC and make it actually work. So now that we got the AC charged, by the way, of course we're not in a convenient location. It's cold in here. And look at the water temp. We're just sitting at 195. It's a really hot day. Huh?
Radiator's hot. Trimmed across too, so it'd be cold on one side on the other.
Nice, like it was before?
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah, we're high 190s with the air on with actual refrigerant in it. Before, didn't really have any refrigerant in it, so the condenser wasn't actually getting hot. But to be sitting in a 100-degree day, idling its ass off at 199 through a very small grill with a very big radiator, an AC that's actually ACing, I think we're doing good.
Yeah.
So we're going to go for a drive now.